Hi everyone, this is Ankita, your maths teacher, and today I will be teaching you your first chapter, numbers up to 200. So we will right now recap that what you have learned in class 1, and after that we will proceed forward. Okay.
So students, let's just recap everything once again. So I have written here 6, 9. So how do we read this? This is 69. Okay. 8, 2. This is 82. 4, 3. 43. 9, 2. 92. Okay. Now next is skip counting. Skip counting, that is we have to skip the digits and then we have to write. So here we can see number is 24, 26, 28, 30. Like in this number we are skipping in 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26, 26 plus 2 is 28, 28 plus 2 is 30. So skipping the digit by 2. So next number will be 32, then will be 34, then will be 36, and then 38. Okay. Now this is a skip by 3. See, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We skip 3 digits and then comes 15. After that 16, 17, 18. Again 3 digits, then comes 18. So next will be 21. Then will be 24, 27, 30, 33. Okay. Now see, here it is 10, 20, 30. So this number we are skipping 10 digits. So 30, after that will be 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80. This everything you have learned in class 1. So we are just recapping. Okay. Now this is greater than, less than, or equal to. So we know in greater than, less than, or equal to we put the signs. So which one is greater, 89 or 98? We look into the first digit. This is 8, this is 9. Which is greater, 8 or 9? 9. So 98 is greater. Again next number 53, 53. Both the numbers we check. Here is also 5, here is also 5. Equal. Then we move to the tens place, 3. Here is 3, here is 3. Both the numbers are equal, so we put an equal to mark. Next is 32 and is 23. Which one is greater? We look into the tens place. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. Which one is greater? Is it 3 or is it 2? 3 is greater. Okay, so 32 is greater. Next is expand the numbers. So 47 is expanded as 40 plus 7. That is 4 tens and 7 ones. 4 tens is 40 and then comes 7 ones. 33 is 3 tens plus 3 ones. So 3 tens is written as 3 into 10. That is 30 plus 3. 66 is written as 6 tens and 6 ones. 6 tens can be written as 60 plus 6. Okay. Next comes write the numbers. So 7 tens, 2 ones. This is 7 tens is 70. 2 ones is 20. 72. 6 tens, 0 ones. 6, 0. 3 tens, 1 ones. 31. Clear everyone? Okay, next is before, after, between. So what is the number that comes before 84? It is 83. What is the number that comes after 54? It is 55. The numbers up to 100 we have learnt in class 1. So 98, box 99. What will come in between 98 and 100? It is 99. Then comes 15. What will come after 15? 16. Okay, then box, then 20. What will come before 20? It is 19. We know this. Okay, now let's just move to the next part. This is biggest and the smallest number. We have to choose which number is the biggest number among these numbers and what is the smallest number. So 21, 12, 23, 13. We will compare 2, 1, 2, 1. So I think between 1 and 2, 2 is the biggest. Okay, so we will now compare 21 and 23. Both the numbers are in 2. So now 21 and 23, which is bigger? So we will compare in the ones place. Here it is 1, here it is 3. Which is bigger? 3 is bigger. So the biggest number is 23. Like so, the smallest number. Between 2 and 1, the smaller number is 1. So we will compare 12 and 13. So now comparing 12 and 13, we see in the tens place both have 1. So we will now look forward to the ones place. Here it is 2, here it is 3. So which is the smaller number, 2 or 3? 2 is the smaller number. So what is the smallest number among all these numbers? 12 is the smallest number. Like so, we have here we have 90, 30, 40 and 100. Which is the smaller number? Let's check it, the smaller number. 9, 3, 4 or 100. Which one? 30. So smallest is 30 and the biggest is 100. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order is writing the number from the smaller number and going through the bigger number. So smaller, 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 then goes the bigger numbers. So which number will come first? It will be 43. Then comes 52. Then comes 69. Then comes 96. Okay. So here the answer remains the same. So now just move to the next one. It is 27, 19, 44, 39. The ascending order will be 19, 27, 39 and 44. 19 is the smaller number, then comes 27. As we go higher, then goes 39, then comes 44. So ascending order is going from smaller to the bigger number. Descending order is the opposite of the ascending order. Like in ascending order, we write from smaller to the bigger. In descending order, we go just opposite. We write the bigger number first. So bigger number is 63. Then comes 33. Then comes 23. Then goes 13. So this is the descending order of the number. In this number, the bigger number is 29. Then comes 24. Then comes 21. Then comes 17. It will ekdam opposite. Okay. So now let's just move to our chapter, that is numbers up to 200. So students, we know that 100 ones is equal to 10 tens. This is equal to 100. Okay. So just tell me, we have learnt about the digits from 0 to 9. So the bigger digit is 9. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 10. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number and it goes till 99. So now if we add the 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, we get the smallest 3-digit number. So the greatest 2-digit number is 99. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 100. And guess what? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. So now in this chapter, we will learn the numbers till only 200. So the numbers will be between 100 to 200. So let's just recall. 110 can be read as 110. 119 can be read as 119. 144 can be read as 144. 200 can be read as 200. Now, place value and the face value. So what is the place value and what is the face value? The place value of a digit in a number is the position of the digit in the place value chart. We know the place value chart, it comes from ones, tens, 100, 1000 and like this it goes on and on. Okay. And the face value of a digit in a number is the number itself. So I have written few numbers. So if we look into it, the first number is 186. So 6 is being circled. So you have to write the face value of 6 and the place value of 6. So you know that 6 comes in the ones place. So place value of 6 is 6. And face value of 6 is the digit itself. So it will be 6. In the number 142, what is the place value of 1? See, this is ones, tens, 100. So 1 comes in the place of 100. So place value is 100 and the face value is 1 itself. In the number 175, we see what is the place value of 7. This is tens, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So 7 comes in the place of tens. That is 7 tens is 70 and the face value itself is 7. Clear? Now we move to the abacus part. We have strings and in that strings beads are attached to it. So if there are 3 strings, that means ones, tens and 100. So this is 3-digit abacus. So we will just count the beads and write the numbers. So if we count here, it is 1, 2, 3. So ones place comes 3. If we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 beads are there. So in the tens place comes the 5. And here it is 1 bead. So the number is 1. So the total number is 153. Same way we count here. As we can see, here is no beads. So we write 0. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 6 comes in the place of tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads are there. So we write 3 in the hundreds place. So the number is 360. Likewise, we do the abacus. So next is write in expanded form. 164. We will write the number according to their place value. So 1 comes in the place of 100, so we write 100. 6 comes in the place of 10, so we write 6 tens. 4 comes in the place of 1, so we write 4 ones. We write the numbers and write the place value of that particular number. So 105, we write 1. 1 comes in the place of 100, so we write 100. 0, we write 0, comes in the place of tens, so 0 tens. 5 comes in the place of ones, so 5 ones. Clear everyone? Next is write in standard form. Expanded form we learned now. Now it is the standard form. It is the opposite of the standard expanded form. So what we do here, we compress the number. So it is 100, 7 tens and 8 ones. So it is written as, just read this 1, 7 and 8. Simply write 178. 100, 9 tens and 0 ones. So write the digits 190. It is very easy. Okay. So now comes before, after and between numbers. So now you have learnt about the numbers between 100 to 200. You can easily write what comes before, what comes after and what comes in between. So what comes after 108 is 109. What comes after 100? It's 101. What comes between 121 and 123? It comes 122. What comes before 200 is 199. Clear? Now numbering sequence. Patterns, sequence, both are same. We follow a certain rule, a certain way of writing something. So in this, the question number 1, 140, 141, 142, we see that only one digit is increasing. So 140, 1 digit increased becomes 141, 1 digit increased, it becomes 142, then again 1 digit increased, it becomes 143, again 144, 145 and then 146. Next we see 102, 104, 106. So 2 digits are being increased, plus 2 is being added. So the next digit will be, after 106 plus 2 is added, it becomes 108. Then comes 110, 110, 112, 114. Practice more and more, you will get used to it. Then comes compare. What is the trick in compare? As you can see, we have learned comparison between two numbers. Now it is the comparison between 3-digit numbers. So what we do, we first look into the first digit. If the first digit in the 100 place is same, then we move to the tens place. We look which is the higher number. If both the digits will be same, then we will move to the ones place. So now let's just move and see to this question. First is 134 and 163. Which one is greater? We will look into the 100 place. Both the places we have 1. So now we will move into the tens place. Tens place we have 3 and here it is 6. So which one is greater? 3 is greater or 6 is greater? 6 is greater. So ultimately 163 is greater number. Clear? Now arranging in ascending order. Same way how we have arranged the numbers, 2-digit numbers, same way we will arrange the 3-digit numbers. We will just look into the 100 place. We have 1 in every number. We will now move to the tens place. 2, 0, 4, 5. Which one is smaller? 0 is smaller. So first number that comes is 1, 0, 9. Okay. Now this number is being written, so we will cross it. Next we will go and see 124, 140 and 155. Again we will compare the 100 place. We have same. Tens place we see 2, 4, 5. Which is smaller? 2 is smaller. So this number is the smaller number. So we write 1, 2, 4. It is written, so we will cross it. Now we will compare these two numbers. We see 1, 1 same. 4, 5. Which is smaller? 4 is small. So the next number becomes 1, 4, 0. And the last which is left is 155. Now arranging in descending order. Descending is the opposite of ascending. So we write the bigger number first, then we go to the smaller number. So we will now compare all the numbers. We see the 100 place 1, 1, 1, 1. All the numbers are same. Then we go to the tens place 7, 2, 9, 4. So among all the digits, 9 is the greater. So 199 will be the greatest number. We will cross it as we have already written that. Now apart from this, we will look into other numbers. This is 177, 122, 144. We will compare all the 100 place 1, 1, 1. Now we move to the tens place 7, 2, 4. Which is the bigger number? 7 or 2 or 4? 7. So this number will be the bigger number. So we will cross this. 177 already written. So now we move to the two numbers. We will compare these two numbers. We look into 1, 1 same. Then we go to 2 and 4. Which is bigger? 4 is bigger. So this number is the bigger number. So we write 144. Which is left? 122 is left. So we write 122. So this is ascending order, descending order, comparison, number sequence, before, after, between, standard form, expanded form, place value, everything we have learned. So I hope you practice your exercises. I will give more and more assignments, worksheet, do it. We will meet in our next class. Till then, bye, take care and think high.